In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When your app is ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Not sponsored, by the way. Then choose Consent. And my favorite part, hit this gear at the top left corner to check out all of those options, to adjust your wallpaper, and check out Preview at the top. You can even hit presets on the left. Pick one of those and check them out the same way. After making all of your changes, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Apply and decide where by tapping on one of those options. Then hit Apply at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my wallpaper was successfully applied. You can always go back to the same app and make any changes you want to. Then apply it again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!